Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. Today we are going to learn about how to add the Google Maps in the Vue 3. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the full-fledged code. Okay, so template, right? So here we have the div ID app, Google Map. Okay, so API key, style, center and the zoom you need to pass. Okay, after this we have a marker option, so you want to add the marker, so make sure you have to add the markers. And when I click on this marker, right, so this kind of things like this here, chd I have mentioned, so I have show the info window also. So depends upon to you want to show it, then you can show. Okay, next we have the, this is the marker options and the info window. Okay, next if we go to the which package we have to install, this is the package I will show you. This is the package that I have covered up this topic. So this is the this is that one. So here you can see, so google in the script setup you have to import this one. So currently here you can see that I have done this one. Okay, next we have the center, right? So here you can see that we have to mark the center. Okay, now we have a marker options. So here we have the template Google Map. Okay, so here we have the API key, style, center and the zoom, and the marker options, position, center. Okay, this is the thing that we have done in the template part. Here you can see that in the template. Okay, so you can make it like this template, and if you want mark the info window, you can also do like this. Okay, after doing this, here you can see that show info window reference false. When I click on it, that one, then show the info window with value true, right? And handle the window when when I click on the close button, just make it false. Okay, so here you can see they have a marker option, show info window. So very simple, very easy. This lines of code and this just adding into your script setup will help you to just simple Google Map with the marker. Easy, very simple. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.